Today I will show you 5 great PowerShell tips that you probably didn't know about. Number 1. Generate global identifier. Have you ever opened a website just to generate a random identifier? Not anymore. All you need is PowerShell and the New-Guid command. It returns a hyphened, lowercase version of the ID, but you can easily transform it using toUpper method or provide different formatting to the toString method. For example, capital N will return it without hyphens. Number 2. Save command result to the clipboard. Let's say you have generated the ID already, but grabbing the mouse to select it and copy is troublesome. Instead, you can just pipe the result to Set-Clipboard command. The copied content will be available to you system-wide, just like after copying it normally. Number 3. Calculate difference between dates. To calculate the difference, you need to subtract 2 dates from each other. In order to do this, you can use Get-Date command that will return your current date or cast date string to DateTime. Huge time saver. Number 4. Read parts of huge files. Sometimes we encounter gigantic log files that may even be a couple of gigabytes in size. It is nearly impossible to read the whole file without specialized tooling, especially when you are on a remote desktop without admin rights to install any additional software. Luckily, getContent command has a tail argument. It allows you to specify a number of lines that you want to read from the end of the file. This won't freeze your system like Notepad would, it will just immediately get your lines. Number 5. Create large files. Let's say that you want to test file upload size validation. You will need files with specific size in order to do this. By using just PowerShell, you can precisely create them. Let's start by creating a new FileStream object with filepath, create and read-write mode as the argument list. Then we can set the size of the file by using SetLength. In this example, I set it to 1 GB and I close the file immediately after. As you can see, the file is created and it has exactly 1024 megabytes or 1 GB. Let's check the file contents by using format hex command combined with less. As expected, it just contains null bytes. One last tip is to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.